Welcome to the Portland Wind Energy Project Stage 4. We're at Cape Sir William Grant and we've just looked at the site for number 1, and now we've got number 2 and number 3 coming up on the screen as we're flying over. As we proceed further in a southeasterly direction, we come to land owned by Wannon Water, and this is the site for number 4, just behind those sewage ponds. And then we have another one on Wannon Waterland, number 5, which is just behind that bull patch of ground. And you can see a small clearing where we've got a pad for number 5. After we pass over the Wannon Waterland, we enter Alcoa land, and there's 2 stands of she oak trees, and we have wind towers in between those stands of she oak trees. So we've got number 6 and number 7 either side of those she oak trees. Now we're moving off the Alcoa land and onto Crown land, and the first generator we come to is number 8, and then we have number 12 behind that, and then we have number 9, and down, then we're on the Port of Portland land where we have number 10 and number 11. And what we're going to do is just fly around the Cape and have another look at the site for number 10. So once we bank around the cliff, we'll have a look at the scenery and also the quarry face of the Port of Portland, where there's possibly going to be some blasting happening in the near future, and it will give us a bit of an idea about the proximity between the quarry face and the location for number 10. Now the quarry's just starting to come into view. You've got a body of fresh water there. It's a bit like a swimming pool. But that's where the main quarry face is, and just behind that you can see a hard stand area, and our proposed site for number 10 is right in the middle of that hard stand area. So it is going to be pretty close to that quarry face. Now we're just moving towards Grant Bay, and the smelter is in the background. Number 13 is located just off that access track, and we're back on land managed by the Point Danger Committee of Management. The site for number 14 is basically where the instrument panel for the helicopter is at the moment, and the next one up is number 15, and that's basically all of the generators for Cape Sir William Grant. And then we're just going to finish our flight by going over Point Danger, which has got the gannet colony.